How to fix not getting email notifications on your iPhone. So to go and fix this, first open up the settings application. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on apps. Now scroll down again until you see the mail app and go and click on mail. Now select notifications and obviously make sure allow notifications is turned on. You can also customize the alerts as well, so you can select exactly what notifications you want to receive. So as you can see here, I have all three of mine ticked. So that's the lock screen, notification center, and also banners. And once you've done that, you can come back over to the previous window. You can then come back once again. And if you're using another mailing app such as Gmail, for example, then you'll need to do the same with that as well. So I'm going to scroll up to Gmail and click on this. Click on notifications. And once again, just make sure allow notifications is turned on. You can then scroll down to Gmail notification settings, click on notifications and go and select the notification type that you want to receive. So I'm going to be selecting all new emails and press done. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may need to do is turn on background app refresh. So to do this, open up the settings and then click on general, scroll down to background app refresh. Now, obviously make sure this is turned on at the very top here. And you probably want to set this to Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can then scroll down to Gmail and make sure this is turned on. Now you won't see the mail app in here because this is just turned on by default. So once you've done that, you can then come back out of this window. Now, if you're still having issues with receiving notifications, then the final solution is just to come back over to settings. We're then going to scroll back down to apps, scroll back down to the mail app and click on mail. Click on mail accounts and then go and select the account that you're not receiving notifications for. And you can click on delete account at the bottom of this window and click on delete from my iPhone. So once this has been deleted, you can then come back over to mail accounts, click on add account, and then you can just go and re-add your email. And once you've re-added it, you should then be able to receive notifications.